Magnificent is an adjective that describes something very beautiful, impressive, or grand. It can also mean something that is exceptionally good or excellent. For example, the magnificent Great Wall of China inspires awe because of its grandeur, or a magnificent performance can be one that everyone enjoys and admires. The word is pronounced as a mag-nif. Sunt. The word magnificent originally comes from Old French, meaning doing great deeds. It's often used to describe things that are large, striking, or inspiring. When we say something is magnificent, we mean it's so beautiful or impressive that it stands out remarkably. Synonyms for magnificent include splendid, grand, majestic, superb, glorious. Antonyms, words with opposite meaning, include ordinary, mediocre, plain, unimpressive. Let's see magnificent in action with some example sentences. The palace had a magnificent ballroom decorated with crystal chandeliers. She gave a magnificent performance that moved everyone in the audience. The sunset over the mountains was absolutely magnificent. Using magnificent adds a touch of grandeur and beauty to your description, making your stories come alive. Try to use it when you want to express something truly excellent or visually stunning. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.